Hi, I'm Gurbir from AdClear Digital Marketing. I lead a team of digital marketing experts in the National Capital Region. And I want to share in this presentation on how to grow student admissions at your institute by at least 20% in the next 2 months. So I'm going to share a couple of case studies with you. Just a second. Sorry. So the first one that I'm going to share with you is Adda247. Now, Adda is one of the top players in the online coaching space. They are focused entirely on the government job sector. Adda has great advantages in terms of its quality of content, in terms of its faculty. But what Adda needed was a big push to the next level. We from AdClear stepped in with a comprehensive marketing plan that worked on search, that worked on display, and on remarketing to grow Adda's revenues by 50% in 2 months' time. Now, what's interesting over here is that the spends, which is shown in blue over here, the spends in this, if you see in this graph, did grow but marginally, whereas the revenues went up in a much bigger way, showing that efficiencies matter a lot, not just the budget. The next one is Pearl Academy. Pearl Academy, again, is one of the leading institutes in Delhi in the learning for design and fashion. Now, Pearl Academy developed part-time courses, or you can call them upskilling courses, which we felt would have a very wide audience. But this did not show up in terms of the number of admissions they were getting. So we developed a comprehensive marketing plan where we worked both on visibility as well as a funnel that spread the net wide. Pearl Academy was able to make each one of these 12 course streams that they had viable. Now, how we work on this, all these funnels, is one of our proprietary models called the AdClear Surge. AdClear Surge is a digital marketing funnel. And for this funnel to work, we look at the 360-degree aspects of marketing. These aspects include SEO, content for authority, and social media for credibility. When all these aspects are superior to what the competition is doing, or at least at par with the competition, that's when AdClear Surge lead generation works its best. Now, and AdClear Surge we focus on a whole lot of parameters and monitor constantly. All these parameters include compelling communication, A&B testing, fine-tuned targeting, intent verification engine, grading of lead quality, and finally collaboration with the lead nurturing team. So what we see with the AdClear Surge model is that it delivers at least 20% growth in admissions over a period of 3 months. And that is talking at the minimal level. A quick note about us. We are a Google partner company. And the way we work is we focus on the digital marketing strategy first, which comes from the market, which comes from the competition and the brand, and then go on to the various aspects of digital marketing. These are some of our key clients. And as you can see, one of our key focus areas is the education sector. That's all from my side. Would be great to hear from you. And if this interests you, let's discuss after this. Thanks a lot.